Hi everyone, my name is Fabian Valdez and I am here to demonstrate my project on week 2 contacts for the crude project. So basically in this project we added all the different endpoints. We already had the get all and get by ID. Now we are running the new post, put and delete, and also we have done the Swagger API documentation. So for this, I'm showing you this on my render project. So this is the normal. Here you got all the contacts, and this is what we already had from past week. And the new thing is the Swagger documentation here. As you can see, this is running on render. So here are the different endpoints. This will just show you the hello world. The hello world. This is the home uh, root. Just slash. For all the contacts, as we saw already. Here you are. Here I am getting the same contacts that I had the past week. Um, Next we have the pause. This is for add one contact, so we are going to try it right now. First name, let's say a friend of mine, it's Fabricio. Last name is Ausensi. Let's say his uh, email is just Fabricio at gmail.com. Favorite color, I think it's green, and the birthday is on November the second. The second it's 1993. So let's execute, and we are getting a code 204, which means it should be okay. If I check this on uh, I mean this where I get all the contacts, this contacts, execute. Now I have a 4 contact. You can check it in the compass here. This is my database. So if I refresh, there was 3. Now there's a 4 contact. And let's say I misspelled the. Oh, and if I get the ID of him, uh, I will get the contact by ID, a single contact. Here you go, Fabricio. And let's say now I want to update the contact. This case is I will get the ID of Fabricio. So it's Fabricio, it's our Sensi email, and we are going to put the whole name this time. Our Sensi gmail.com, and favorite color, let's say green again, and the birthday is the same I put already, 22 and 1993. Execute. Okay, code 204, and this time instead of getting just Fabrizio Gmail, we are going to get the other the full Gmail. So contact by ID. This was execute, and here we got the whole email. Let's check it in here as well. Refresh, and there we go. And let's say I want to delete it now. for the last endpoint. Try it out, ID, execute, and code 204, and let's refresh it in here, and it's gone. So everything's working smooth. And let's just check the code itself for the project. So this is the, well, all the different um, all the different uh, files for the project. What's new here? Well, on server, we're using the body parser to parse the different information. We are accepting these methods and the different headers. And what else? Oh well, we got in the controllers. We have the different. Past week we only had the get all and the get single contact. Now we are getting the create contact, in which we create a new contact, and this one is coming from the body that we are passing. And this time we are inserting one, the user that we created. And for the update contact, it's pretty similar. The difference is, instead of inserting one, we are replacing one, and for that we are using the ID and we are passing the updated, or the user, you know. And lastly, for the delete contact, we are, instead of inserting or replacing, we are using the delete one method, and we are just using the user ID as we saw before. And then we are of course exporting the three method that we created. And what else? Yeah, and for the Swagger, I had to create these routes to get the API docs, so we can access the the Swagger UI. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for your time.